you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And of course, the man of the moment who has helped us to completely put it all together. If it is not for his vision, a lot of things would have been impossible. I'd like to thank He's My Trip for Sanjit. Thank you so much for all your help and everything. It's interesting. Our nominations were released last week, and I have to give you a quick run through. So, do you have patience to help me rattle out names of the nominees and all of that? So, please bear with me. Our function is on August 23rd in Mohali, and some of our wonderful performers will be Honey Singh, Jacqueline. Then we have Manish Paul and Neenu Bajwa as hosts and performers. Then we have Himamshi Khurana as a host. Then we have Saundarya Sharma. So it promises to be a action-packed night. So we need all your love and support for this very special day. I also have very wonderful memories which I quickly like to share with you. When we first came to Chandigarh for the first year, we had no clue of the ecosystem. We had nothing, but everybody, including Prabjot and Baljit ji, was so wonderful, and they helped, they took us around, and whether it was Gippy Garewal sir, whether it was Diljit sir, or whether it was Amy Virk, everybody was so wonderful. And of course, there was Sargun, and there was Neenu Bajwa, and there was Sonam Bajwa, and everybody was just so overwhelmingly full of love and affection for us that my heart is filled with a lot of gratitude for everything that they did for us. And I must tell you the interesting thing about the nominations of the 2024 films, which are going to be held in 2025, are BB Rajni has 16 nominations, Shire has 14 nominations, Jatt and Juliet has 10 nominations, Ardas has 10 nominations, and Warning 2 has 10 nominations. I'll quickly read out the best film. Just bear with me for 5 more minutes. The best film includes Ardas, Jatt and Juliet 3, Mitra De Chaliya Trakni, Shire, Shinda Shinda No Papa, Warning 2. The best director includes Amar Hundal for Warning 2, Gippy Garewal ji for Ardas, Jagdeep Sidhu for Jatt and Juliet 3, Manish Bhatt for J Jatt Bigad Gaya, Parmish Verma for Tabaa, and Rakesh Dhawan for Mitra Da Chaliya Trakni. The best film critics, Apne Ghar Begane, BB Rajni, Shakot, Shire, and Ucha Dar, Babe Nanak Da. And now for the most interesting categories, the best actor in a leading role, male, Amy Virk for Kudi Haryane Waldi, Amrinder Gill ji for Mitra Da Chaliya Trakni, Diljit Dosanjh for Jatt and Juliet 3, Gippy Garewal for Shinda Shinda No Papa, Jay Randhawa for J Jatt Bigad Gaya, and Parmish Verma for Tabaa. And quickly, just 5 more minutes. Best actor, critics, Dev Kharod for Ucha Dar, Babe Nanak Da, Gippy Garewal again for Ardas Sarbat De Paledi, Jagjit Sandhu for Oye Bhole Oye, Prince Kawaljit Singh for Sector 17, Satinder Sartaaj ji for Shire, Yuvraj Singh ji for Apne Ghar Begane. And now for the last 2 and most coveted moments, Best Actor in a Leading Role Female, Neenu Bajwa for Shire, Rupi Gill for BB Rajni, Sargun Mehta for
Jatt Nu Chudai Takri. This would have been tough for you.
Simi Chahar for J.V. Sonia G. G.V. Sonia G. Sonam Bajwa for Kudi Haryane Waldi, Sunanda Sharma for Mitra Da Chaliya Trakni, and Vamika Gabi for Tabaa. So these are the lineup of our wonderful nominations, and Filmfare has always endeavored to pursue excellence. So I hope the winners, I wish all the nominees the very best of luck, and may the best man and woman win. Thank you so much for being here.